Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily enable low power mode on your battery automatically on iOS 14. So for doing this you just need to go to app library and just find here shortcuts. So just find shortcuts and now you just need to open second tab automation and just click on it. Just choose create personal automation and now you just need to find here battery level. So just choose how much you want to have percent of battery to enable low power mode, and just after choose next, choose add action, and now you need to enter here and just write set low, and here you will see set low power mode. So just choose it and click on the next. When your battery level is 45%, set low power mode. Ask before running. Yes, done. Or you can turn it off here and it will automatically turn on this low power mode without asking you. So now every time your battery will be lower than 45%, it will automatically after ask you turn on low power mode. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.